Sometimes I wonder how can such a small device help you earn so much money? Hi, I'm Kunal Mehta from Trimax Media, and today I'm going to talk about lighting in photography. When it comes to the lighting in photography, there are natural light as well as artificial light. Sometimes you can combine both of them to get better output. Let me show you how I use all three types of light. So we are starting with the artificial light, and we are going to use two lights here. One is LED. This is an on-camera flash. LED, we are going to use it as a backlight, and the flashlight, we are going to use it as the key light. Jeril is going to help me with the key light, and I'm going to keep the backlight over here. I'm going to choose a red light, and she's Ashra, my friend. She's going to model for me. Jeril, can you go closer, please? Yes. Yeah. Ashra, camera look, smile. Wait, we're gonna take one more. Smile. Thank you, Ashra and Jared. We got an amazing picture.
Hi guys, as you can see, we are shooting outdoor. This is gonna be a complete natural light shot. So Smriti is posing for me. She is right on my bottom, and I'm taking shot on my 35 mm. Lovely. We got an amazing shot. Here's the shot.
So as you can see, in the situation like this where there is a natural light outside and your object is sitting inside, if you try to take a shot, if you try to focus on your object, the background is going to burn out. Like example this. So in this situation, you have to combine your natural light and artificial light. Media, please. So as you can see here, we are using an external flash, which is an on-camera flash. We are using it via trigger. The lens I'm using is a 35 mm. Amazing, we got a great shot. I hope you find my video informative and it will help you in the future for your projects. If you like the way I shoot, please like, share and subscribe my video. Trimax Media, reach your target audience today.